Hey guys, my name is Steph. We're in Paris today to shoot my first collection for In The Style. So come along, I'll take you behind the scenes and get to know me a bit better. Who shoots all my content? That's actually my boyfriend Sam, who I've been together with for over 10 years. So he's quite used to it. My favorite place to shoot is actually the city we're in right now, Paris. I feel like every corner right here is the perfect background for an Instagram photo. So I was born in Jerusalem, that's where I lived until I was 4 years old. My dad is from there. And then we moved back to Holland because my mom is Dutch. So I grew up in Holland and I now live in Amsterdam. I would describe my style as quite feminine. I love skirts and I love dresses. So what inspired me to create this collection? I just wanted to create a collection with timeless pieces that I love to wear myself, something that would last a lifetime. For me, a wardrobe must-have is definitely a good blazer, especially one that you can wear as a dress, just like I'm wearing right now. So something that people don't know about me is when I grew up, I always wanted to become a singer. So I once even recorded a Bruno Mars cover in a professional studio, but after hearing the result, I gave up that dream. So why In The Style? I think it's accessible for everyone. I love what the company stands for and I got complete freedom to design whatever I want. I would say my style icon is Hailey Baldwin. I love her outfits. They are always cool and effortless. I'm definitely gonna wear my collection everywhere the next couple of months. I'm traveling to New York Fashion Week next, so I can't wait to wear my outfits over there.